with 2 golds and 4 silvers. Archery secondary boys from Na College Foundation, Mark Dominic C. Colliantes. And bringing home 2 golds and 3 silvers, equivalent to 12,000 pesos worth of incentive. Swimming secondary boys from Na College Foundation, Gian C. De La Torre. Archery secondary boys and secondary girls, please be ready. With 2 silvers and 3 bronze medals. Napoleon B. Olores, Naga College Foundation. With 2 silvers, Lester Carl Celestial. With 1 gold, 2 silvers, and 3 bronze. For archery secondary boys from Naga City School of Arts and Trade, Vince Kian Agagad. And their coach and LGU trainer for archery secondary boys, Ramir C. San Isidro. We now proceed to archery secondary girls. Ladies, please stand and please be ready to receive your award. Receiving 6,000 pesos for winning 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Archery secondary girls.